Hey there everyone, so in this one I'm going to give my honest opinion on this whistling stovetop tea kettle. So one of my favorite features about this product overall is that it is made out of durable food grade stainless steel that will last. It's very easy to use, it boils water in no time and features a flip up whistling spout that easily opens when it's time to pour. And not to mention that it is simple to store, doesn't take up much space, it's very convenient, very small, and it's also super easy to clean. So if you once you're done with it, you can definitely give it a quick clean. Doesn't take long, and overall, just great. And just the fact that it's a large capacity, great for serving your family, friends, and whoever else you're gonna have home. Highly recommend. Thank you so much for watching.